Meaning of infantile.
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 Infantile. The word infantile refers to something that is childish or immature. It can be used to describe behavior, emotions, or ideas that are naive or lacking in sophistication. When someone is described as being infantile, it suggests that they are not acting their age and are behaving in a way that is inappropriate for an adult. This term is often used to criticize someone's behavior as being immature or silly. In summary, the word infantile conveys the idea of acting in a childish or immature manner, which is not appropriate for a mature adult.